Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. This is a clear donation box that I recently used for a raffle, and I am really pleased with how it worked out. It is durable and roomy. The top opening is wide enough for you to put a large variety of tickets or business cards or anything else that you might be using for a raffle or a donation situation. It does have a long enough slot to be able to be used for many different purposes. The opening or door is roomy enough so you can get the entries out easily. You can even use this to randomly pick your winner if you wanted to. And the fact that it has a lock and key makes you feel extra secure. It does come with 2 keys, so you can give one to someone else, which also takes some of the responsibility away, and you have a spare key so you don't have to worry about losing the key. The hinges are durable, and I like the clear, roomy design of this box. So whether you wanted to use it as a donation box, a raffle box, or even a tip jar, you could even use this as a bank on the downtime when you're not using it for an event. So lots of different possibilities with this. It's clear design, make it modern, and it'll fit into a lot of different situations. I'm very happy with it, and I know I'll be able to use it again and again because it is that durable and that useful. And that is my point of view.